Ready ji, English Pitman 80 plus speed, start. But the young barrister faced the test fairly, and his language and style, though different, showed him to be a master of law and logic. We shall watch his career at the bar, and we think he must succeed because of his abilities. If you can put me up for a week in August, I shall be ready to go and stay with you. You can have as much walking as you like. I shall be at your disposal at almost any hour, and as I am a rare walker myself, I think I can say you will have all the exercise you wish. You ought to be a different fellow when I leave, if you will be influenced by me, I think I can give you a mile in 6 and beat you. I have had some talk with young Lord Robson several times in the past week, and he says you can do 5 miles an hour. Those who saw you last autumn and know what you can do, all say the same thing. This is all I know as to your form. But we shall see for ourselves. I think you will own I am far beyond you in speed. It will be a case of each for himself and the race to the faster of the two. Oh, I know I shall beat you, unless you are faster this year. Those who think poorly of themselves only induce those who know them to think the same. I speak for myself, because I know myself. I can say a deal on this subject, and I usually do so. You ask why I have stayed away so long. The answer is business keeps me away. When would you like me to come? Interrogation. The best of luck to you and to the rest of the family! Exclamation mark. It will be nice to see them all, though I saw most of them a month or two ago. Para. Dear Clay, if you are at liberty on Friday next, I shall be pleased if you will try to come in and see Dr. Driver, our principal member for the borough. He is to take the chair at the club dinner in April, and I should like you to know him. The number at the dinner may be larger this year, because of the increase in the number of members in the local and neighboring clubs during the past year. I think you ought to be at least an honorary member of our club. The other members, would be happy to have you with them, and they would cheer you up comma, and in truth you can do with it, stop. It would be no trouble to me to push the case for you if you care to apply, stop, para. Faithfully yours, comma, para. Peter Fletcher, stop, para. Dear sir, comma, para. Thank you for yours of the 1st of April, comma, and for mailing me your price list and samples of blue and black inks and glue in the several sizes of bottles, stop. I think the labels are better and brighter now, stop. I shall give the samples a fair trial during the next few weeks, comma, and comma, if suitable, comma, I may be able to stock a large number of the smaller sizes, stop, as I think you know, comma, my principal business is with legal offices, comma, and comma, as you will agree, comma, it is essential to offer them only first class inks, stop, para. Yours truly, stop, para. Dear sir, comma, para. I believe you are proposing to buy some house property in Beverly, stop. If this is so, comma, I shall be pleased to call and show you details of Beverly House and Crowther Grange, comma, and other desirable houses which I wish you would look over, stop. If you will tell me just what you desire, comma, I think I can suit you, stop. I shall, however, comma, leave all details till I see you, stop. If it is largely a case of the low price, comma, as I gather it is, comma, I know I can offer you value equal to any, comma, and with early delivery of the premises, comma. In all cases, stop. I specialize in valuation business, comma, and this brings me into touch with just the right people for your purpose, stop. Faithfully yours, stop, para. Have you ever noticed what useful lessons you may receive through a shrewd look at the faces of the people you come across in traveling interrogation? You will see in them humor and gloom, semicolon, generosity and miserable stinginess, semicolon, pluck and nervous fear, semicolon, wisdom and simplicity, stop. You will notice the drinker and the abstainer, semicolon, the hopeful and the fearful, semicolon, the clever talker and the bore, semicolon, the flighty and the modest, semicolon, the pilferer and the honest fellow, semicolon, the loafer and the worker, stop. 5 minutes in a tramway car may offer us many lessons if we care to take them, stop. Para. From what I know of Cedric Spring, he has no claims to supreme cleverness, stop. It would be safer to describe him as a spruce young fellow, comma, with a very strong belief in himself, stop. He is, comma, possibly, comma, a bit masterful in his manner, semicolon, and he is the more likely to succeed because of his liking for work, stop.